Um, um, Spare me the piece of bread, spare me your mercy. I am a child, so young, so thin, and so rough. Why are you staring at me? With my eyes I cannot see, but I know that you are all staring at me. Why are you whispering to one another? Why? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes, 5 years ago, bigger than I do past. I can still remember the vast happiness mother and I shared. We were very happy indeed. Suddenly, 5,000 knocks were heard at the door, and a deep silence ensued. Without knowing it was discovered a peaceful home. Mother runs to father's side and says, "Please, Louise, hide in the cellar. There in the cellar, they cannot find you." I pulled my father's arm, but he did not move. It seemed as though his feet were glued to the floor. The door was bang! And before us, 5 avenues came barging in. "Are you costing me to this battle?" said Lord the address of the house. "Yes," said my father. "You're under arrest," said one of the maids. They put father roughly away from us. Father was not given a chance to be satisfied. We followed them mile after mile. We were very hungry and thirsty. We saw those Japanese eating. All our mouths watered, seeing the delicious fruit we were eating. And suddenly, we heard a voice go, "Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar! Consuelo! Oscar!" We ran forward to the direction of the voice. It was too late. Father was lying on the tree, dead. Oh, it was terrible. He had been badly beaten before he died. Everything went black. Suddenly, the next thing I knew, I was nursing my full body mother. One day, we heard the church bell ringing. Ding dong, ding dong. It was very far up to find a shelter for hideout. But I could not think to my body's mother. I tried showing her the way to the hideout. Suddenly, bombs started falling. Earthquakes going around. Cannons were firing from everywhere. Boom! 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 Mother was hit. Her legs were shattered in pieces. And I tried vengeance. And I said vengeance, vengeance, vengeance.
Ayaw mo yan.
No, no, Oscar. Vengeance is not ours. It's God.
But I cried out.
But I tried out vengeance. I was like a penitent volcano. Vengeance is mine, not the Lord. No, Oscar. Vengeance is not ours. It's God. These were the words from your mother before she died. Mother was dead and I was blind. Vengeance is not ours. Vengeance, forgive is divine, but vengeance is weaker. That's 5 years ago, 5 years. Spare me a piece of bread, spare me a mercy. I am a child, so young, so thin and so rough. Vengeance is not ours, it's God.